Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here with this 2012 Holden Barina with the 1.4 Ecotec engine in it. And today I'm going to show you how to check the engine oil level in this vehicle and to top it up if necessary. Now this is the same procedure for all your Ecotec engines, which can be found in a variety of your Holdens. So if you're interested in it, do continue watching. So the first thing that we need to do is to open the bonnet, and you'll find the bonnet release lever down here in the driver's footwell, and you just give that a pull. So with the bonnet released, there's a secondary catch, and you just slide your fingers in and push that catch across like that, and then you can lift the bonnet up. And then we need to bring the hood rod up and just place the hood rod in the opening there. So with the bonnet up, you can easily see the dipstick at the front of the engine here, that one with the yellow handle, and all you do is you pull that out like that to check the oil level. Now straight away we can see this one's low. I'll just bring it in close so you can see, but you can see it's down to the absolute low mark as opposed to the full marks up here. So we'll just put the dipstick back in, but we clearly need to fill up this engine with oil. So let's do that now. And back here we can see the oil fill cap. Clearly it's got a little picture of an oil can on the cap, but we rotate that and we lift that off just like that. And then so that we don't make any mess, we grab a funnel so that we can pour the oil in. Now the manufacturer of this vehicle calls for a synthetic 5W30, so that's what we're going to use here. Now if your vehicle like this one perhaps is using a little bit of oil, you could go a slightly heavier grade, perhaps go the 5W40, but if you've seen any of my vehicles, I actually use this grade of oil across the Mazda and the Audi, so I've got plenty of this lying around at home. So I'm going to pop this one in, and I really like the Castrol Edge, the fully synthetic 5W30. So you just add some oil to this engine now. Hold that funnel up and just pour some in. Now I'm going to start by adding about 1 litre to this vehicle. Probably enough, and we'll check that first. So let's check the oil level, and I'll just bring you in. You can see that's now bang on full in there, so we're good to go. So pop that dipstick back in, we'll take our funnel out, and importantly pop that oil cap back on, turn it so it's tight, and we're good to go. So with the oil checked and all topped up, the final thing to do is to close the bonnet. So make sure you put that hood rod back into the little clip there, and then we simply close the bonnet and give it a firm push onto the secondary latch, and we're all done. So there you go folks, that's how to check the engine oil level in your Holden Barina and top it up if necessary. So if you have liked the video, give us a like and drop us a comment down below. It's truly appreciated. And in the future, if you're interested in learning more about your Holden Barina, do subscribe to the channel, because there's plenty of issues with this one to sort out. But also on the channel you'll find we've got other vehicles. We've got the Audi A3, the Mazda 3, the Mercedes, the early Ford Falcon as well. So you might be interested in that content, and then you really do need to subscribe to the channel. But until next time guys, have a good evening.